if you have multiple locations, you can group them into a business group. However, it's kind of weird how Google makes you do that. You come up here, and I thought you could just select these, create a group, and create it. And you can, but then you just create this group, and there's nothing in it. So add business, right? Single business. But no, that just takes you to adding a brand new business. What you have to do is go back to your ungrouped businesses, and we'll go ahead and select all. Actions, transfer business. So we're going to transfer it to this group. Kind of a weird process, but that's how you get them into a business group in Google Business Profile Manager. Hope that's helpful for you.